Hello everyone. In this video, let me solve GATE 2016 Engineering Mathematics questions related to the topic linear algebra, subtopic vector space and basis. Now let's move on to the problem. If the vectors E1, E2, E3 forms an orthogonal basis of the three-dimensional real space R cube, then the vector U, this is also belongs to R cube, can be expressed as this question is from ECE department. It has 2 mark. Here one basis is given. Orthogonal basis of the three-dimensional vector space R cube is given. B equal to basis is B equal to E1, E2, E3 and the vector space is R cube and I take given one vector, this is also belongs to R cube. Here I use one result, that is, you can see that a set B of elements also vectors, in a vector space V is called a basis if every element of V may be written in a unique way as a linear combination of elements of B. Here basis B is given and vector space is given and one vector belongs to vector space is also given. So you, by using that result, you can be maybe written in a unique way as a linear combination of elements of B, that is alpha into E1 plus beta into E2 plus gamma into E3. By using that result, I can write that vector U equal to linear combination of the elements of B. This is the result, final answer. So next, U vector is given 4, 3, 3, 4, 3 minus 3 and alpha into E1 is 1, 0, 2 plus beta into E2 is 0, 1, 0 plus gamma into E3 is minus 2, 0, 1. Solving this equation, we can get alpha, beta, gamma and substituting this equation. Okay. 4 equal to, here alpha plus beta 0 plus 2 gamma. Alpha minus 2 gamma equal to, here first vector, first value is 4. Next here 0 into alpha 0, beta into 1 beta, gamma into 0 0. So beta equal to second element is 3 and 2 alpha plus 0 plus gamma equal to minus 3. This equation here I got beta. Solving these two equations we can get alpha and gamma. This equation named as 1, this is 2. Okay. So 1 is alpha minus 2 gamma. I write 1 as same and second equation 2 is multiplied by 2, we can get 4 alpha plus 2 gamma equal to minus 6. Finally adding these two equations we can get 5 alpha equal to minus 2. So alpha equal to minus 2 by 5. Substituting alpha value in first equation we can get gamma equal to minus 11 by 5. So finally U vector equal to alpha into E1. Alpha is minus 2 by 5 E1 plus beta into E2. Beta is 3 E2 plus gamma into E3. Gamma is minus 11 by 5 E3. This is the final answer. Minus 2 by 5 E1 plus 3 E2 minus 11 by 5 E3. So the answer is option D. Answer is option D. This is one way for solving this problem. I am going to explain another one way. Here the basis is an orthogonal basis. The basis is an orthogonal basis. I write here. So I write one formula. The basis, orthogonal basis of, suppose the basis, orthogonal basis of R power n, B is a basis of R power n. For any U vector belongs to R power n can be written in U vector equal to sigma I equal to 1 to n inner product of U vector comma EI vector divided by EI inner product of EI comma EI into EI. This is the formula because this is an that B is an orthogonal basis. Orthogonal basis. Okay. Here the given basis is an orthogonal basis. So I can write U vector equal to sigma I equal to 1, 2, 3. Here 3 elements only available in the orthogonal basis. So first one is I equal to 1 means U vector inner product of U comma E1 divided by inner product of E1 comma E1 into E1 plus second term is inner product of U comma E2 divided by inner product of E2 comma E2 into E2. Next, third term inner product of U comma E3 divided by E3 comma E3 into E3. So what is the value of inner product of U comma E1? Inner product means U transpose into E1 equal value. Inner product, how to find inner product? You transpose into E1. Okay. So the value is, I find here inner product of U comma E1 equal to 4, 3, minus 3 and 1, 0, 2. U into E transpose or U transpose into E. Okay. 4 plus 0 minus 6. Finally, I got minus 2. This is the procedure to find the inner product of two vectors. Inner product of two vectors. So I got inner product of U comma E1 is minus 2. Inner product of E1 comma E1 is same elements. Okay. E1 into E1. E1 transpose into E1 is 5. So finally, I got this value is minus 2 by 5 E1 plus U comma E2 is 3. Inner product of E2 comma E2 is 1. So 3 into E2 and inner product of U comma E3 is minus 11 by this E3 is inner product of E3 is 5. 3. So this is also another one way. U vector equal to minus 2 by E1 plus 3 E2 minus 11 by 5 E3. Option D. Answer is option D. This is the another one way of finding answer. You have to select the second method because the second method will take less time compared to first method. So you have to select the second method. It is better. This is the only one question belongs to GATE 2016 Engineering Mathematics questions related to the concept, vector space and basis. If you have any doubt in this topic, then you can ask in the comment section. Let me try to clarify your doubts. Thank you. See you in the next video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel to encourage me. Thank you.